Stop wasting your time scrolling through spreadsheets to look up data. Excel has a simple formula to instantly find what you're looking for. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use VLOOKUP to look up data effortlessly. Welcome to Spreadsheet Success. In today's tutorial, we're exploring VLOOKUP, one of Excel's most powerful yet easy-to-use functions. The example sheet for this video is linked in the description below, so you can follow along. Let's dive in. This is our product table. Let's say I would like to know the price of tape, which has product code P1019. If we just look it up in our product table, we can easily spot that it's €1.50. Easy enough, right? But what if we need the price for product P1141? We'd have to scroll all the way down to find it. It's a hassle, even in this relatively small example file. Now imagine that it's your job to find these values in a file with thousands of rows. It would be an absolute nightmare. This is exactly where VLOOKUP comes in. With VLOOKUP, you can instantly fetch the price for any code without having to scroll through the sheet. Let's start with entering P1141 in our code field. Now let's click the price cell and enter the VLOOKUP function. As you might have noticed, Excel displays a tooltip that shows all the required arguments for this function. Let's go through these one by one. First, we have lookup value. This is the value you want to look up. So in our case, it would be the product code. You can either type this value directly in the formula like this, or refer to the cell where the code is located, like we will be doing. Next is table array. This is the range of cells where Excel will search for the value. For our example, that would be the product codes and prices. Now we have index num. This tells Excel which column in our table array to pull the data from once it finds the matching value. Our product code is in the first column from our selected data, but the price is in the second column, so we'll enter 2 here. Finally, there's range lookup. This tells Excel whether to find an exact match or an approximate match. If you want an exact match, type false. This ensures we get the precise price for the exact product code. If you fill in true, it returns an approximate match. But I'm not really sure in what case anyone would use VLOOKUP with this set to true, so we will be using false. Now let's enter our formula in the price field. VLOOKUP, our lookup value is cell F2. Our table array is B2 to C181. The data we would like to find is in the second column, and we would like an exact match. Press Enter, and Excel instantly returns the correct price for the product with code P1141, which is the one that's in our code field. Let's scroll down to P1141 in the table to confirm the price we got matches the actual price. And of course it does. Just to verify, let's copy another code. P1067 is a nice one. First note its price. Then, scroll back up and paste P1067 into the code field. As you'll see, we instantly got the identical price back over here. VLOOKUP can be a bit complicated, especially if you are new to Excel. If you ever need extra help, click the FX button right here beside the formula bar. It opens the function arguments pop-up. It shows each input, previews the result at the bottom, and guides you through what each field expects. It's a great tool for understanding and building any formula or function. The best part is, you don't have to type out the formula first. You can simply click on a cell and press the FX button to insert a function. In the pop-up box, you can type what you're looking for, in our case, VLOOKUP, and then select it from the list. Here you can enter your values, F2 for the lookup value, B2 to C181 for the table array, column index number 2, and false for an exact match. Then click OK. As you can see, it shows the correct result. And if we look up here in the formula bar, it displays the formula we generated. Both formulas will work perfectly fine, even if you change the code or update the values in the table. And that's VLOOKUP in action. No more endless scrolling, just instant results. And remember, the file used in this tutorial is linked in the description. Try it out for yourself and let me know how it goes in the comments below.